we'll guide you through how to use ElevenLabs for voiceover. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To use ElevenLabs for a professional voiceover, launch Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop computer and click the search bar located at the very top of your browser window. Type ElevenLabs and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Select the official link to go directly to the ElevenLabs homepage. Press the Sign Up button in the top right corner to begin. Choose Sign Up with Google to quickly link your existing account, and select the Google profile you want to use for your AI projects. Look over the permissions requested by the platform on the next screen. Click Continue to allow the software to sync with your Google account. Pick 11 Creative as your workspace type and hit Continue. Type your name to finish setting up your personal user dashboard. Check the box to confirm you are old enough to use the platform. Hit Next to enter the feedback and onboarding section. Select Newsletter or Blog from a list of referral options. Designate the account for personal use when the question appears. Choose Text-to-Speech as your main goal for using the platform. Click the Continue button to move forward to the pricing page. Tap the Skip option to stay on the free tier for your current work. Your dashboard is now ready for you to start generating professional audio. Enter your script into the text box. For example, right? There's nothing like that first walk through a new city. Thoughtful, you don't need a perfect plan or a map. Just start walking. Honestly, the best spots are the ones you find by mistake. Just get out there. Open the model settings by clicking the AI model menu on the right side. Select 11v3 to ensure you are using the latest generation of AI. Click the voice menu on the right to browse different characters. Select a voice that fits your mood, such as a storyteller profile. Adjust the stability slider to a natural setting for a human-like flow. Ensure the language override toggle is switched to the off position. Press the Generate Speech. Your voiceover is finished, and you can now listen to the results and download the file right now today. This completes the process successfully.